This is breakfast with the goats. Los chivos.
Sube. Sube.
Hello.
Sube. No. Sube. 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 All right.
Well, this is their new home.
And don't forget somebody's yelling.
That's the pen that we move around and they stay in when we're not out and about, but when we're out here, they're just out playing. We don't have a fence. They're not going to go anywhere. They've been eating the salal like crazy. And the blackberries. They like them. So yeah, this is their home. Our house. And this is all our property. Very private back here.
We got the chimney in the top.
Oh, and the brand new chimney we put up yesterday. We got our wood stove in.
And we got it inside too.
Well, it's pretty dirty. I'll get a picture of the. But now watch when we go in the house. Oh, they're not gonna now.
You don't want to leave the go.
Well, there's our new wood stove. Don't mind the mess in the house. We just installed that ourselves yesterday. You know you're in your underwear.
I turned around because the other side got a hole in there. You want to see something?
So yeah, we live way back on this road, like, I don't know, a quarter mile from the road. Nobody else back here but us. And this is our new gravel.